In this video, I am going to show you how to connect your Hostinger domain with Amazon AWS. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Here on the Edge panel dashboard, click on domains from the left menu. Now here you will see all the domains that you have purchased from Hostinger. Now select the domain that you want to connect to Amazon, and after that click on manage. Now from the left menu, click on DNS/name servers. Now here we will see the manage DNS records option. So from the type we will select the A record, and for the name we will leave it as it is, and for the TTL we will leave it as it is. And for the points to value, we need to copy this value from Amazon AWS and add it here. So log into your Amazon AWS account. After that, go to dashboard and then click on instances. After that, select your instance from here, and here you will see public IP address version 4. Just copy it from here, go back to Hostinger and paste it here. After that, click on add record, and in this way your Hostinger domain will be connected to Amazon AWS. So this is how you can connect Hostinger domain to Amazon AWS. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.